few episodes ago, I showed you my temporary fix for when the glove box door mechanism is not working correctly. I pulled out the plunger, but that only would work for one or two openings before it failed and the door popped open while driving. I had Tesla Service come over today to fix a broken driver's side LED fog light. Ironically, the fog light was working when the tech arrived. It had been out for a month or so. He verified that the wiring was good and to let them know if it goes out again. When I booked the appointment, I also told them about the glove box issue. They had to wait a couple weeks for the part to get shipped. The installer replaced the entire glove box door. I can't tell if the door mechanism is changed in this new unit. The mobile service tech said that the foam degrades over time and causes the plunger to fail. Hopefully the new one either has an improved design or maybe the old one was just a one-time event. And one of the side benefits of this is that the old door was getting scratched up over time. Now I have a brand new clean door. By the way, make sure you get any problems fixed on your Tesla before the manufacturer's warranty expires, which is 4 years or 50,000 miles. Here's another view of the glove box door, and it looks really nice and scratch-free. Let me know in the comments below if you've had any problems with your glove box door. The next part of this video will show the opening plunger on the old version on the left and the replacement on the right. This next part shows how the door closes in the old versus new. There are some differences between the glove boxes, and definitely for the positive. The exterior plastic is now soft touch, while the previous was hard plastic. This may be an improvement since my car is an early 14,000 VIN from May 2018. The other difference is that it closes solidly and with no gap as you saw a few moments ago. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.